I have another A Girl for All Time doll from my small collection of them, and her name is Nisha. And like Bex, she's supposed to be a modern day girl. She does not have any kind of historical connection to some of the other dolls in this doll line. She's, again, I have her dressed just in something very plain, and we're going to look inside the box and come up with another historical outfit for her. I'm going to make sure all 5 dolls are dressed historically versus in a contemporary type of outfit. I just think they look really cute together, and that's one of the reasons why I really like this doll line. I love the costumes. So let's see what we have in here. All right, I went through this already in a video and showed all the outfits I have for these dolls. This is underwear. I'm not sure what this goes with, honestly. But everything else I did show on my channel already in like a 15-minute or so video where I showed all the clothes. You know, no one's ever worn this, and even though it's not something that she would be wearing outside like, you know, these gals would be, I don't know, this might be a possibility. I could put her in this and then put the cloak around her. So that might be kind of fun. No one's worn this, so that might be cute. And then this is what Matilda came in. This is the party dress for Matilda. But you know, somebody was just wearing this. I've had a lot of people. I always talk about them like they're people. This is her original dress that she came in. All right, I'm going to dig through here. I'll be back, and I will have her styled in something historic to go with these other 4 dollies in my collection. I'm trying something a little different here. I'm going to have her wear this dress, which has an overcoat that I showed in my other video, but I'm going to have her wear it without the overcoat, and then this little ruffly collar that goes with another dress. But both of the dresses were from the Eleanor collection. She's was the Elizabethan doll, who I do not have. And then she's wearing these green shoes that were part of the party dress because I'm running out of shoes, folks. We have some boots, but I didn't think they would look right with this. So here she is. Really pretty doll. She's got, they all have inset eyes, and hers are these brown, and there's some, I don't know, there's like something going on in that, around the iris there. Really pretty. And of course, you know, feathered eyelashes or eyebrows with the eyelashes sticking out. And I think her skin tone is kind of a little darker than these other dolls. Not Bex, of course, but definitely Lydia. Lydia is very, very fair. And I don't know how many face molds these dolls had. Obviously not a ton because, you know, they did not have a huge number of dolls to begin with, but I would be curious about that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll have one more doll to show you very soon. As usual, give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.